Hey, what's up guys? Fresh Blue here, back at it with another unboxing video for you guys, and today we're going to be unboxing Roja Elysium. Let's get started. Alright guys, this is Elysium by Roja Parfums. Alright, this is a pretty big box, it's 100 milliliters. Let's unbox this. Alright, this is the box. In the front you have Elysium Roja Parfums. In the back, a fragrance by Roja Dove. I guess that's the perfumer. It's made in England, and it's a 100 milliliter bottle. Alright, let's see the bottle. Oh, it's pretty fancy. Now guys, this is I think retails $290. And yeah, wow, it's pretty fancy. The bottle looks really nice. Let's see, the bottle says Elysium Roja Parfums, just like on the box. The cap says signature on the top and on the side. In the back, again, a fragrance by Roja Dove, made in England. I don't see a badge code anywhere. But yeah, it's the bottle. It's a really nice bottle. There's nothing inside the cap. The atomizer is like a gold plated. And yeah. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video of Roja Elysium. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And I'm your boy Blue. I'll see you next time. Peace.